If I were a rich man, yabba-dibba-dibba-yabba-ba-ba-beedle-daddle-da, all day long I'd biddy-biddy-bong. If I were a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to work hard. Yabba-dibba-dibba-yabba-ba-ba-beedle-daddle-da. If I were a bitty-bitty rich, yaddle-diddle-daddle-daddle man, I'd build a big tall house with rooms by the dozen right in the middle of the town. A fine tin roof with real wooden floors below. There would be one long staircase just going up, and one even longer coming down, and one more leading nowhere just for show.